Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how I make iced carbonated coffee, blueberry pomegranate. First thing you gotta do is just put the ice cubes into this mug from this mini metal bowl. Then after that, you fill the blueberry pomegranate sparkling water into this mug halfway from this can. Then last but not least, you pour in the coffee from this percolator into this mug, like halfway. And thanks for watching, folks, and there you go. Here is your iced carbonated coffee, blueberry pomegranate. Enjoy it, folks, and have a good summer. Peace and cheers.